I'm Chad Huddleston. I'm with 1 Hour Heating and Air Conditioning. When the weather gets cold and your heaters warm up, don't forget about your air conditioner. Even though it may seem tempting, don't block access to your unit or air handler. You want to leave plenty of space for your unit. Sorry, but the bikes, rakes, and lawnmowers will need to go elsewhere. Use a hose to clean your unit. Keep it free from dirt, leaves, or other outdoor debris. Protect your unit from rust by using a protectant before harsh elements such as wind and rain damage it. Bushes, shrubs, and trees will need to be pruned away from the unit. If wind, rain, or even snow is predicted, then you will want to cut off enough to make it through the season. As safety precautions and newer complex systems have emerged, so too has tougher standards for warranties. Keep in mind, for a factory warranty to apply, you'll need to show proof of maintenance. A complete maintenance inspection and report can be performed by any technician at your local 1 Hour. When the cold weather arrives and you're enjoying a cozy, warm moment, don't forget about your air conditioning unit outside. Summer will be here before you know it, and with proper care and maintenance, your air conditioner will be good to go.